Hello. Welcome to Mind Yeti. Gratitude is noticing the good things in your life and saying thank you for those things. Being grateful can put you in a better mood, and it can help you settle the hubbub and feel more connected to the world around you. Before we begin, take a moment to find your Yeti body. Sit comfortably with your back straight and your feet or legs resting on the floor. Feel how the floor or your chair supports you as you sit. Get ready by taking a couple of slow breaths. Take a few moments to think of something about nature that makes you feel happy. Something you feel thankful for, grateful for. Nature is all around us, even in a city. It's a beach, a mountain, a forest. But it's also a park, a plant growing near a sidewalk, a bug walking along a railing, or a bird flying in the sky. Think of one thing in nature that makes you smile. Maybe it's a big thing, like a forest full of trees. Or a small thing, like a plant or a bird. It's okay if you're having trouble thinking of something right now. You can choose something really simple, like a flower. Just picture it for a moment. Say thank you to it in your mind. Let's reflect for a moment. How did saying thank you feel? Did it make you feel a little different? Notice if your mind and body feel a little calmer. When you want to get in a better mood or settle the hubbub, slow down and try to think of something that makes you happy. Then take a moment to say thank you. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and return your attention to the room.